Oh, I don't know. For how much? Yes, you can count on me. I'll be there today. Thank you. Winifred, would you call the airport and get me 2 tickets to Ocean View City and then get a hold of Richard Scarlett for me? Would you do that? Well, do you know that $50,000 mortgage payment we're worried about? We don't have to worry about that anymore.
Hey, Drumble. Where is everybody? Oh, they're all out at the airport to see Dean Higgins off. Where's he going? I'll bet. Listen, what time does the plane leave? I think he said 10:30.